Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to enter and exit full screen in Brave browser. So one way to do it is by clicking F11 to enter the full screen and F11 to go, to exit the full screen. Another way of doing it, you can just click the hamburger right here at the top right, and then what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead right here and click this to make the screen full, right? And as you can see right here, my screen is full. And it says right here to exit full screen, just press F11. In my case, I could just go ahead and put my mouse at the top right here, and you're gonna see a pop-up cancel button right here. Click on it, and basically you can exit the full screen. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.